Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right. Got Sky here today. Sakit's going to be coming in soon as well. To be honest, interesting day so far. You missed the message. Jones, where did you send it, man? Where did you send it? Ah, found you. Yeah. Mate, just replied to you. So, okay, let's go over what happened today. Because today, from this morning did look like it could have been a really interesting day. But if I'm honest, it's been pretty weak. This is the Asian range. This is the Asian range. We haven't left it. We haven't left the Asian range. We've been stuck in it. So I got out here early on a trade. Then obviously it pushed up. News came in. I got in again. And then it's just taking me out. At the moment, we're just stuck in a range. So unless, obviously, New York comes in, we start breaking down and start getting some definite structure, it's a difficult one. It is not easy today.
Yeah, it looks brutal.
What would you say, Sky?
It looks brutal.
Well, think of it. It's just stayed in the range the whole day.
Right.
I'm thinking, obviously, New York comes out. Pound looks like, at the moment, potentially like it could push up. The only thing is, everything in a range looks like it's going to go a direction until. So that's the problem. So I have licked a couple of losses on this new account. I'm down 2%. Mostly all in this range, which is a little bit annoying. But we'll see what happens when New York opens. We'll give it like 5 minutes into the New York Open, see if we can get some kind of inkling of what Price wants to do. But at the moment, I'm just gonna sit on my hand. This is disgusting, man. This is rough. Only thing is, Bitcoin's been flying. So this morning we were looking at Bitcoin around about this area. That had a lovely push up. Nearly a 1% push up on the intraday. And then you have obviously that PPI just smashes it up as well. Yeah. ETH pushed up. Solana pushed up. Solana's been going for it today, which is good for the crypto bags. Other than that,
Does it show that I'm offline for you?
no, you look online, mate.
Okay, it's just on my end then.
Indeed. What are you looking at, Sky?
I'm watching gold. I'm actually in a short right now. Looking for a continuation. We're pretty far extended. We've been breaking all-time highs all week, and I'm looking for some resistance here. Come down to 3655. I can share my screen. There's some low volume down there. Actually, quite a big low volume node that hasn't been filled. So I'm thinking.
Let me share your screen. Give me 2 seconds.
So my theory is we will come down and fill out that volume down there, but
Sackett, tell me when you're ready and I'll pull you in, all right? Good stuff, man. Give me 2 seconds. Let me sort Sky out. Yeah, I'm going to pull Sackett in here. Brilliant. So that's my chart. Opa, look who it is. Look who it is. We've got the full gang in here.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Sky meets Sackett. Sackett meets Sky.
how's it going, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I'm from the U.S.
Oh, very good.
So Sackett's a prop trader. I actually met him in the old firm that I was with. He was popped on live stream, we did a live Q&A and Sackett came on. And since then we've been good buddies. Let's sort this out. He's also in the middle of his Funding Rock evaluation. How's that going, Sackett?
I just did a active day yesterday, and I will do that again today.
Good shit, man. Go on then, Sky. While I finish this off, sort all the things. Do you want to just walk us through what you're looking at?
Yeah, so we came up on gold and took out these highs from the overnight. London, and off of news, we've been pretty far extended in the range from yesterday, and we kind of have a ways to go, and it was a pretty strong rejection from the highs yesterday. Previous, we were pretty much just breaking all-time highs with no problem until we finally had a nice sell-off. So
yeah,
looking for some low volume to get filled down here in the 50s. So it's a ways down. I didn't get the best entry, but we'll see how it plays out. I'm comfortable with the risk, so we'll see.
Sackett, feel free if you want to share your chart, man, and I can put that on the screen. You can show us what you're looking at as well. We've got what?
Currently, I'm looking at buys. I'm in buys of gold.
Yeah, you want buys on gold? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we talked about that this morning in our. It's been a hard day. I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, higher time frame looks fine, but lower time frame, this is some chop.
Because I think every opportunity market is falling, that's opportunity to buy again.
I like that.
One of my trade is running from 3616.
3616. Let's have a look.
Dang.
Wait, hold on, I gotta put it in. 3616. Oh wow. That's a nice little movie you've got there.
Yeah, it was yesterday Asian session in the morning.
Longs were nice yesterday.
Yeah, nice. New York session yesterday was nice.
New York session. Today was the day when it was so close to my entry point, but I survived.
He's also looking quite nice. EU, just look at that. If I want to ever teach somebody what a range looks like, I'm just going to show them this chart. There you go, Sackett. You got a big fan. Vilkes.
Trade.
Yeah.
MNQ 550.
Let's see what the crack is. Where are these gonna go? Let's have a look. To be fair, Swissy looks like it wants to come down. It looks like it wants to come down. filling that wick. Gonna have to sit on our hands until news comes out, I think. Right, Sake, you brought all your friends, man. What's this? You got some fans coming up into the stream.
No, it's not like fans. It's just my friend. I shared the stream with them. But fans will arrive if I share this on my Instagram, you know.
Yeah, man. To be fair, that is very technical. That's really nice. It's a shame. Shame I never saw that. It's really cool. Straight on the top of that area. Wow. I reckon. Okay, so market's just opened. Let's see what the crack is. I've put on your chart, Sky, just because it's always moving fast on your chart. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. What an open. Look at that. We got some movers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
What instrument is this?
The Nasdaq.
All right.
What are we thinking? What are we thinking?
I'm thinking I want to get long, but I'm a little scared. I think Nasdaq wants to keep going higher, bro.
Yeah, I think dollar wants to come down.
I think this is a fake out here. We'll see.
Yeah. There you go. Okay. So USD CHF looks like it's starting to build up a little bit of momentum to the downside. Still stuck in a range though. See, it doesn't actually matter what price he's doing at the moment because hasn't broken anything. It's just staying in the same place. How's your eval going with Funding Rock though, Saki? Because I saw you got some really nice payouts with some other firms. How's did you get some good trades on Funding Rock?
To be very honest, I am looking for
That sounds like a no, bro.
No. I am looking for a perfect setup. I didn't start it yet. I placed a trade yesterday just to do the active days, but I think I have to pass this challenge because whenever I take a challenge from any prop firm, I want to pass the first challenge I took from that prop firm. And 8 out of 10 times I do that usually. So that's the opportunity I am looking for currently.
Fair enough. Yeah, I've just started a new evaluation. I'm about 2% down, mostly from today actually, mostly from getting chopped up. Let's have a look. So I was buy here, closed out, bought again because I thought it was actually going to come back up and break, and then I closed. Tough. Gold looks like it wants to push.
So when I joined today's live, the live is reminding me of the days of 2022 when I started trading, because at that time I used to watch some foreign traders doing live stream on YouTube, and there was a guy from California called Champion Pips. He used to do live session in like London session, and every day I was trying to interact with him in his comment, and after a few times he invited me on his stream, and then we were doing chill and we were trading together. So when I joined today, it's like a different type of language is interacting in trading, right? Because when I trade with my friends, it's like local language. But if I'm joining a live stream of a foreign traders, then different type of language, you know.
Yeah, look how that turns out. Oh, look who we got in the chat, man. Look who we got in the chat. As if you're gonna be in the chat and you're not gonna be with us. What's going on, man? You want to jump in? If you want, send me a message on Discord. I'll shoot you over a link. And yeah, indecisive, being a bit indecisive. A bit is an understatement, to be honest, mate. A bit is an understatement. It looks like it's picking up something now, though. Looking at it like that, it looks like it's already made. It's starting to make its direction. That's why I swear, New York, man. New York's a one. Nice one, mate. We'll see you next week anyway. It'll be good having you on. Yeah, pound dollar to the moon. Let me close my door. Sky, you're very quiet. I wonder what's going on. You ain't got in any trades, have you?
I did. I got in a long.
let's see what's. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice, not a bad one. Right on the EMA. Is that the VWAP?
Yeah, it looks like we're trying to go back up. We'll see. The
Yeah.
bookmap, the CBD is going very, very heavy on the green side right now. So, see if it follows through.
Yeah, that's really nice. Coming into an area of demand. You got the VWAP.
The CBD just spiked all the way up to 10,000 positive. It's recovered fast, so we'll see.
So what is the CVD? That is What is a CVD? That's
Yes.
the
Bit of volume delta.
So how many contracts are being transferred over from one hand to the other? Yeah.
Right. Volume's pretty high right now.
That's it. We've got a futures trader with us. Look at that, huh? Sake, do you believe that we've let a futures trader in the same stream as ours? What's going on?
Me personally, I don't like future. To be very honest, the rules are a little bit more complicated.
Thank you. I told you, Sky. Rules on futures.
I have ever an option. If I have only option to trade future, I will not trade. I will go to my personal capital. Rather than trading a future account, I will like to trade my personal capital.
I hear that. I agree with that one. We're trying to bring Sky over to CFD though, slowly. Okay, so gold pushing up. Okay, I think I'm sidelined, man. I think I'm sidelined. Did it take you out, Sky?
Yeah, gold took me out.
Oh, you were gold.
I was gold previously, yeah, and it took me out off the open. I don't know if gold wants to break the highs again, though. It's got a ways to go.
So you got so Sky, the Asian lows are still in play, but good luck with the long.
So we got all-time highs 15, 25 points away, so we'll see. Might have gotten a little bit too early on gold.
told you to hard market today.
Yeah, I've never had good success shorting gold. Only longs. Only longs.
I don't think I've had many good short trades on gold.
Yeah, it's a tricky one.
Yeah, I've got a love-hate relationship with gold, definitely.
That would have been a nice short up there at the top, but
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, man.
yeah, Nasdaq stopped me out as well. That's a bummer.
Oof.
Two losses right away. Bummer.
To be fair, that's quite fast for you. You know,
Yeah.
you're normally a lot slower to get involved.
Yeah, I know.
So Sky, do you trade your personal capital or prop firms?
Prop firms.
Okay.
Funny story, Saket. I met Sky at... Actually, Sky, how did I meet you? Where was it specifically that I met you? It was at the
We were at
pool.
the Rio.
The Rio. We were in
that's
Vegas and we were having a good time at the pool in Rio. And then Sky comes over. I can't remember who you were with at the time, but we instantly clicked, man. Funny now we're chilling in a live stream together.
Yeah, I know. It was very funny.
Sky is a proper raver. He knows how to have a good rave.
You know, it's funny. That was my first rake.
No,
EDC Las Vegas. Yeah.
no,
I swear.
you're lying.
No, my friends, they talked me into it. They're like, "You gotta go. You gotta go." I was like, "All right."
That was the first time you were at a festival/rave.
Yeah, I didn't even know any artists. Like they were telling me who to go see. I was like, okay.
No way. Well, you fooled me, man.
Yeah, that was one of the best experiences. Though it was a good time.
What about you, Saket? What music do you like?
I usually like my traditional music where I'm from.
Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to
Because-
send me some over.
It's a man of culture.
Like the Punjabi music culture is going worldwide right now, and I love to listen that type of music, the folk type of music, to be very honest.
Yeah. You're gonna have
But
to
I-
send me some,
but-
send
but
me
I
some on
use-
Spotify.
Yeah, I will send you surely. You will love it. But I do listen English song as well. But all
Yeah.
like hardcore beats type of songs, like Eminem or that type of songs.
Nice.
Yeah.
6-7 years ago, I used to listen Justin Bieber as well.
Nah, Justin Bieber's got some new songs that slap, man. He's got some good songs. I don't know about his first stuff, but his new stuff is pretty good. Let's have a look. It's too much indecision, man.
Yeah, it's looking like the Nasdaq just wants to go down. That's interesting.
Wow. Wow. Mate, I don't know how you've got the stones to trade such a thing.
I'm about to retire the Nasdaq.
You're about to retire Nasdaq.
It's like a toxic Latina.
Oh, I love that. I love that.
It can be really good,
It could be really good or it could be really bad.
and then the next week,
You just can't stop, huh? You just
I
can't
just need to
stop.
switch to gold, man. That's been my practice lately, is trying to get better at trading gold, because I've had some good trades on gold, man, and I feel like it's a lot easier to read sometimes versus the Nasdaq. But yeah,
We'll go for a small hit on gold. To be fair, let's try it. Let's see if we get it. Look at the spreads. Our spreads on gold are absolutely insane as well. To be fair.
Are you planning to buy a position in gold?
I am planning to buy some in gold. Let me get my order form up. My risk. This is my last for today, in all fairness, because I'm already. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Ah, that's why. What are we saying? Scared money don't make no money. Let's see. Oh, happy with that. All right, finally.
I also entered a buy at 45 in gold just few minutes ago.
Nice. Okay, so you 45. Okay, so around here. Nasdaq just fell. Let's have a look. Yeah. To be fair, gold is also coming down now as well. Yeah.
I knew I got in too early.
I will be back in 1 minute, okay?
Okay, see you in a minute. Wow, my trading has been so rough recently. So rough.
I feel that, man. Yeah, I lost a funded account.
Man, tell me
On
about
like
it.
Monday or something.
Tell me about it.
It's been rough out here.
It has been. Question is, am I getting on this in my Percy? I think I am. Right, in on my personal. There you go. I'm just thinking about just trading, just like trading a little bit. My personal account. And that's just it, man. Just a little bit. Feel like I'm pushing the prop too much. See if we get any momentum come in. Here we go. Thanks, man. Scott, you look so done with today already. It's only just started for you, bro.
Literally, bro. You read my mind.
Yeah. Yeah. Trading will have that effect on you.
Ah,
That's the thing, though. It's like there's not really another job that you go into work and then you can leave with less money that you came.
yeah. Couldn't name another.
It's like, nah, I don't think so. I need to, Abdullah. You say that I need a holiday, and Bali would be a lovely holiday.
Unless you're a gambler.
Unless I'm a gambler.
Yeah, if you gamble for a living, I guess you could lose, right?
Isn't that what we do though? No.
I hate
Look,
going out.
look. Gambling is effectively putting money at risk on a speculative whatever. So being serious though, it is classed as it. Doesn't matter what you say. If you go and play poker, is that a gamble?
Yep.
Is opening up a business a gamble?
Yeah.
Are you just saying yeah for the sake of it?
No, I think they're gambles.
Yeah, they're gambles.
Takes risk.
Yeah. Yeah.
But thank God for prop firms, right?
Yes. Thank God.
Otherwise-
You know how to trade them. Yeah.
I would have never tried this hard, to be honest.
Okay. Here we go. Now this is what I want to. Poker. Why isn't poker a gamble? Because it's a high skill and high money management. Does that still? Does that not? Why does that make it not a gamble though? Because trading, you have high skill and high money management. And to be honest, what comes out of the deck, it's pretty much random. Doesn't matter if you've got double aces or whatever in your hand. It doesn't really matter if what comes out on the table is. I guess though you can play it or not play it. So I don't know if that's a good example. Okay, this price action is garbage. LJ, why don't you come on stream, man? Why don't you come and chill with us for a little bit? Saki is back. Yo.
I thought my voice is not coming, but I don't know why you were not able to hear me.
We're back. Poker is a skill set. Okay, trading is a skill set. So why is poker? So Sakit? We're going on the. We're having a debate. Is poker?
But my voice is not coming.
No, yeah, it's coming. It's coming through.
All right, that's fine.
We're having a debate if poker is classed as gambling.
I don't think yes. I think yes. Poker is gambling.
Oh, we've got another person that wants to come on. Oh, here he is. Give me 2 seconds. How do I? We're going to have a full-on party up in here, man. An absolute party. And he still doesn't have a contract. See, this is why we're going to have to get him for Funding Rock. We're going to have to get this man in the Funding Rock team. He's going to come on in a second, guys. Hold on a second. I'm going to have to add another layer. Add another layer. Speaker. See if he comes on. What do you think we're at with this gold trade, Saket?
My
Looks like he's
tar- my
not doing anything.
my
man.
target is at 60.
Yeah, same, pretty much. Pretty much.
60, 62, around that area. That's the funding lock account you are trading on right now.
Yeah, yeah. I've got this on my personal account though as well.
Which type of app or software you use for your personal trading?
C Trader. Yeah, C Trader. C Trader and then Pepperstone. For oh, here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Okay, I'm gonna have to sort the layer out. Bringing him on with his crappy ass internet connection. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna have to make Sky. I have to move Sky up here. Ah, let's open all of these up. This is why I need Michael here, because Michael would come in here, sort this out. Yeah, Michael's better at this stuff than me. Yeah, that's what you think. Ah, there you go. That's how we do it. Right, forgive me, guys, because the layout is absolutely shocking. You in the space, just anywhere. People are thinking I'm talking to myself.
Corner.
Oh,
Hey.
look who it is! Look who it is! Long
Hello?
time no see, stranger.
Bobby, how we doing? Hey, Bobby.
So we're gonna have to do some introductions, and while we do some introductions, I'm gonna sort out this layout because this layout is garbage, and we don't do garbage here. So Saket, this is LJ Saket. Saket is smashing trader that is now trading with Funding Rock.
Brilliant.
Sky, I think you've already met Sky. He's a raver from Utah, and LJ
Nice,
is
nice,
my
nice.
degenerate friend.
LJ is the model itself,
Yeah,
right?
What did you say? What did you say, Saket?
Said LJ is not a trader; he is a model.
Nah,
I'm immortal.
yeah,
I'm immortal.
he's immortal. Yeah.
yeah. Immortal. There we go.
No, LJ has got his own.
We're going God mode.
fairness to him, he's got his own set of skills.
Yeah, Alex,
Mate, this thing is so
I'll
buggy.
have to inform you on the insider thing later.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we got some.
No.
Yeah, sneaky.
No,
quiet for
no.
now, but
Okay. Well, there you go. Insider information. Fine.
Yeah.
What are you saying about the markets, LJ? Do you want to give us a little bit of a rundown of what the hell has been going on?
yeah, sure thing. So, I mean, PPI. I was looking for that negative report, which is
Which is what we
what
got.
Exactly. So tomorrow for CPI, I'm looking for a. Actually, I should try share my screen.
Yeah,
Very
share your
helpful.
screen and let me see if I can sort this out. Oh, mate.
So, holy
This is such a bad way of doing live stream. I'm not even doing it on the studio. So, look, we're traders, man. We trade. We don't do anything else. Have you
Yes,
you
we-
shared the screen?
Yeah, it did. Yeah. So basically, yeah, PPI definitely looking for that to come in worse. Spoken about this earlier in various places. The CPI tomorrow looking for higher numbers, just like the street is.
Yeah.
Agreed. Definitely agreed. I don't think that will change any of the Fed direction at all, right? So the
Okay,
same way that we got.
Sorry, LJ. What is going on with your screen? What are we supposed to see here?
What do you mean?
What is this?
Okay,
What are you
this
trying
was
to draw? Are
something
you trying to draw?
before,
Are you trying to
right,
draw a picture? What is?
Alright,
What
hang
is?
on,
What?
hang
What
on.
is this?
This is garbage from before, right? We were
What?
we were doing some other stuff. I'll get rid of all of this, make it clearer. There we go.
Okay.
Can you explain that line for me?
This is my chart used to look like when I started trading in 2000.
Mate,
Uh,
look, I've been trading for 13 years, and my charts still look the same way from when I started.
fair.
So there you
Give
go.
you that. Give you that.
But yeah, so same thing as last night. Like we got the revisions from the payroll, right?
Oh,
There
I
was
remember
spike.
that. Yeah.
And talked about this where it's not really going to matter at all. Everyone knows that the payrolls are going to be revised just like last year. No difference. Wow, it's a bigger number. Wow, guess what? We've
Nobody
had full
cares.
employment for ages. Yeah, no one cares. So you get the spike off the impulse and then right back down. It's very much priced in. It's not going to change the direction for the Fed at all right now. We've got that Fed pricing very much fully priced in. We've got 93% of the 25 basis points. We've got 6.3% for a 50 basis point cut, which is not going to happen. But basically, it's fully priced in at this point. So that number, completely irrelevant. Everyone has known this for ages now. It's very well telegraphed. Hence, we had that spike, came right off. Right now, we've then got to put the next considerations towards the ECB and Bank of Japan, right? So Bank of Japan has said they're going to reduce the JGBs, so the Japanese bonds they're going to buy from the 10 to the 25 year duration. Plus, they're also going to be looking to increase interest
Okay.
rates.
This is very wordy. Tell me, am I buying or selling USD? Tell me.
Sell the dollar, basically.
Sell the dollar. Okay, we're
Yes.
long gold. It's fine.
Long
All
gold.
all
I don't
need
know
to
about
hear
that.
is
I mean, that's
long
that,
or
that's
short.
scary.
This is it. I don't need no Japanese bond
Mate,
strikes.
Well, you do because when
importing
the
of
Japanese,
missiles.
when the dollar yen goes from 144 to 135,
Okay, that would
be
be
very
amazing.
happy you're in that trade.
Wow. In all fairness, I did convert all of my money into dollars recently.
That's one of
so
those
maybe-
decade trades. Yeah, I would undo that. I would
Yeah,
undo
you don't do that.
it. Yeah.
Oh, mate, what's going on with this now?
So yeah,
This is-
basically, dollar
this is
down
dark,
into the end of the year. I think we'll keep getting that. Coming into 2026, that's another question. But for now, dollar down, even though the rates are very well telegraphed, you might say some of that is priced in. But I think there's a lot more to come.
How's your trading been?
Good. Very good. No, you say that, but that's what I'm saying.
No, I didn't say. I'm only joking. I'm just saying because the way that you said it was just good, and I'm just thinking, wow, mine has been trash.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about the
Oh no,
other bits and pieces.
no, don't worry about that. No,
No, but
got you.
I'll send you a screenshot.
Send me a screenshot. Nothing naughty though, please.
No, I can give you something naughty.
Oh no.
Akram's into that.
Is he?
This is Akram. Yeah. I'm kidding, Akram. Don't worry.
Is Akram in here?
He is. Yes. Very much.
Saki, I think we're doing well, mate. I think we're gonna get it. Looks
Yes,
like
I
it.
have seen that.
Looks like it. Looks like we're gonna get it.
I was about to say, what have you guys been trading in general?
Mate, I tell you what, I was in today, this morning on USD CHF, and on the open, shot through, and I thought, okay, that's it. We've got momentum on the day. It's going to come up to the 200 EMA, boom. And then it just ranged the whole day and just ate me out. ate me up.
You- wow.
Oh man.
Terrible. Terrible.
Someone clip that.
We're gonna clip that. That was bad. LJ, see,
Beautiful.
that's what happens when I let you come on stream.
Yeah. I'm the cause. I'm the cause.
Oh mate.
How's your girlfriend?
Which one?
Still hungry or satisfied?
Depends. Never. Like my trading, get too greedy. He's going bad. That escalated quickly, yeah.
What have you been trading this week though, Alex, in general?
To be honest, mate,
You had a
USD
general bias because
general bias was long the dollar.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, general bias was long the dollar. I had some pretty savage trades on euro dollar. But look, I'm an intraday trader. Just wherever the momentum is. The dollar, in all fairness, when I was looking at it, like with the whole CHF stuff. No, where was the nice trade I had yesterday?
So that's what I was gonna say. Like I can tell you about last NFP and how that affects things, but if that's boring, then where have you been? What are you positioned at, right?
What am I
What's
positioned
the
at?
text doing, bro?
Yeah. Well, we'll have to wait and see. I'm currently probably been long in the dollar a little bit too much. Clearly, since look at this is what CHF has been doing. I've been literally longing this all day.
Yeah, I mean,
It's garbage. You can just say it, garbage.
yeah, it's kind of tough.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, there's no kick through. Like, I would say long dollar franc and general weakness against the franc for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard, dude. The franc, I from the next year, I would probably avoid the franc beyond any-
Trading the franc or longing the franc.
Just in general. In general,
Really?
dude. Yeah, because like they've voiced so many times that they want to get involved in the market.
And they just don't.
They brought the interest rates down to zero. It's still not pumping the franc up. Everyone keeps buying the franc. And at some point, I'm concerned that you get another 2016 element where they absolutely punch it. And it probably won't be as big, obviously.
I wasn't trading back in 2015, but I heard stories.
Dude, yeah,
Yeah, but I don't think
3,000 points.
I don't think
Right?
that could happen again.
I think absolutely yes, we can.
I'm gonna put it to the audience, guys. What do you all think? Saket, you
It
remember?
can.
Were you trading back in 2015?
No,
The question is-
I started my trading journey in 2022. To be very honest.
Wow, we got
Yeah.
some good. Okay, so none of us was trading that 2025 except for you at LJ.
Yeah, so the question is, obviously they won't do that again because it's very disruptive. Like there were a bunch of like brokerages and stuff that lost 500 mil literally in an hour, and they went bankrupt, and they've been operating for 20 years, right? So
bet
they
that
don't
had
want
a
to
really
do that
bad day.
again, right?
Hmm.
But you could get an instance where you just pump, 200 pips or 300 pips. It's not going to be 2,000 like it was back then, right?
Yeah.
But that's the scary part. So that's why I don't like it. Anything I would do is be long. So basically, short franc, because they don't
Yeah.
want the.
Yeah.
Right. So if you're that way inclined, great. Alex might get one day where he's long, it gaps up, and he gets filled. He's got to take profit at like 40 points. He gets filled 240 points.
I would love that.
Big day. Yeah.
Big
Exactly.
daddy
So
day.
basically, I wouldn't be going against that. And a lot of people probably will be, because you'll have stuff like the dollar yen soon coming
Yeah.
lower. And so hence dollar franc will be doing similar cross correlation. But I think there's a chance where, they've already said they're going to intervene. They have been intervening. You can see the certain market points where it's very peculiar price action. Where the Swiss National Bank intervenes, and then we're getting popped up. So I just would not be going long the franc. If you want to short the franc, great.
No, short the franc. I'd
Massively,
mate,
it's
dollar
massively
franc
overbought, dude.
as an
Their
asset.
economy cannot exist if it keeps going. And they will go to extreme measures if they have
Yeah.
to.
I think I found a new indicator.
That's a really weird thing of MEH. It's not the same.
MEH.
Can you read?
It's WT.
Do you guys have schools?
What?
Yeah, that does not say
I'm gonna
MEH.
ban you from this stream, okay?
Bro, that
You're gonna
doesn't
get
say
banned.
MEH.
I'm gonna kick you from the stream.
That is not a
Misbehaving.
Met indicator, Alex.
That is
That is
true,
not
but
a
we
Met
can't. The
indicator.
Met has been left in the firm that
Exactly.
shall not be named.
Ah.
The firm that shall not be named is where the
All right,
name
well,
is.
you gotta come up with something better than WTF.
Okay,
Let's
fine.
do generic, all right?
Okay.
You need like a proprietary
A proprietary indicator or
protection indicator.
protection.
Yeah,
The Met
This
is
is
just so
sanctimonious.
good, though.
the Met, exactly. The Met has had very, 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 very high strength.
As if I haven't
protective,
had- I haven't had the chat on here.
hey,
Nobody's
just give
been
me,
paying attention to chat.
well, you just got to give me rights on
Holy
here.
crap!
Grab this back.
Holy crap! Okay, I'm gonna have to find somebody that can actually manage this thing.
Alex,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm doing everything on the fly, man. I need somebody to help me manage his email. He's really bad, man.
Dude, if Mike was here, he'd be cringing.
I know, yeah.
I'm already cringing, so
Look, I've never seen Sackett and Sky have such a good time. I know they're having such a good time right now being with us.
what are you guys in? Nah, tell me
Sackett's in
what
the same
are you
position
guys
as
in
me.
right now? What are you in then? Well, Saka, what are you in?
I'm in gold right now.
Gold?
Yeah.
Are you guys longs or shorts? What?
Of course he's long, mate. He's a professional.
All right. From what? what
I
level?
think Sky, you were long, no?
On what?
gold? You were long originally on gold.
I was short actually, and I got stopped out.
Fair,
Yeah,
fair.
just sitting on my hands right now. I'm actually taking a few losses, so just gonna chill. Gold's looking good. To
You
push higher,
sound
though.
bummed out, mate. You sound bummed out.
Yeah, I'm just mad at myself for trading so early into the session.
Love
That
it.
is, do you know what? That's the first time you've been on stream and you've actually taken an early trade.
Yeah, you're right.
Normally you're like, normally be like, yeah, I'm relaxing, just gonna see what's going on, and then you get into it afterwards, and there's me already pounding the market.
I know. That's like, ugh. Bummer. Trading.
How's your combo, LJ? You won your competition, huh?
I did. $1.60, mate. $1.60.
In the firm that shall not be named,
Yeah.
Mordor.
Mordor. I don't think it's that bad.
No, I'm joking. He's not Mordor. Just
Give me a
got to call
contract.
it something.
Come on. Where's my contract?
Isn't there a
Wait.
UFC fighter that was doing that?
Yeah.
Send me location.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
That's a good one.
it, innit?
Dude, Khabib.
That's-
Khabib. Khabib is a great fighter. I wish he kept going. I somewhat feel if he did, as much as he positions as it's very hard, I think if he kept going, he would have got beat. I must say,
Everybody gets beat, mate. Eventually.
yeah, but from where he pitched out, I must say he felt like he got scared.
He got scared.
I'm calling it there.
Bro, his dad died. And he said he didn't want to fight people without his dad. I think that's a very honourable thing.
And well, I'm going to quit rugby because my dad died.
Wow, fair enough.
I've played for
Fine.
another 6-7 years in his honor.
Has anybody seen
Come on.
the White House event? Is that happening?
Yeah,
The White House UFC event.
next July.
Oh, maybe.
July of next year.
July of next year.
Yeah,
I think it
I
will happen.
say,
it's confirmed.
I'd say we get a group of people and we go and see that.
Bro. Actually,
Actually,
that's a cool idea.
that's a sick
That's a
idea.
cool idea, dude.
That's
Yeah.
a sick idea.
Genuinely. That's awesome.
That would awesome. Even better than going long on gold right now.
Is that a live round or a evolution stage?
No, this one's evaluation. This one is evaluation. No, in all fairness, my funding last 2 weeks ago, I absolutely smashed all of my funding. So I'm back to zero on my funding. So now I've got to build it back up. Oof. But you know what? That's what prop firms are for.
That goes.
That's how it goes. Come in, get out.
There you are.
I wonder if my boss actually heard me talking like this. He would be coming here and be like, Alex, you're supposed to be teaching people good risk management.
Mate,
Ah.
come on. Yeah.
Sakit,
Hey,
how you're
yeah.
funded? Sakit, so Sakit's funded across quite a few firms.
Yeah.
Where do you look at? Because we're very different, you and I, Sakit. I look at proper being a little bit more risky, pushing it. You're quite the difference. You're very slow, controlled. What's your thoughts and process around trading prop?
See, I'm not controlled. Like when I trade, I usually risk 2 to 3% at least in a trade. But I only like trade the A plus type of setup because every day I have to took at least one or two trades. I usually try to find. So whenever I am taking that trade, I try to pass or fail a challenge. So that's the reason. And my approach is also aggressive approach, not like a 0.5% risk. I don't think like for me, like I have took almost 50 payouts in prop firms. I don't think like taking a 0.5% risk or 1% risk in phase one, phase two is a good idea, to be very honest.
You're
Fair,
singing
fair.
to the choir, mate. Fair. That
Per
was probably-
trade or what? In
What did you say? I said that's very
trade or
fair. That's
per,
exactly
like-
what. If you're an experienced trader and you're experienced
Yeah.
in trading prop, are you going to go into the evaluation now and just stick to 1% risk?
for one trade or for the like?
No,
Um,
obviously you may have dynamic risk
Yeah.
where okay, you've got an A plus setup, so you're going to go 2.5, or maybe you've got an average setup, you're going to go 1%.
That's
But
what
if
I
you're
mean.
an
So,
experienced,
one
Huh?
trade. So say if you had like 3 trades, would you do 1% each?
if I had 3 trades, would I go 1% each?
Yeah.
You're are you confusing me now?
Like that's what I'm saying. You mean
let's say,
1%
look,
on the
if I've got
total
a
like
particular
portfolio,
strategy,
like
on a
what's
particular
on the board,
strategy,
or
let's
for
say-
one trade.
okay, let's say I've
One
got a particular.
trade or- Okay, yeah, go on.
Let's say I've got a particular strategy and my hit rate is 60%. I'm gonna hit that trade every time I see it with 2.5% risk.
Okay.
Why not? If I've got a strategy now that is 40%, fine, maybe 1.5% risk. Because if I got a 40% strike rate with a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, I know that I'm going to be profitable in the long scheme of things.
Sure.
But if it's under that, then I'm not going to do that at all, and then I'll end up risking 1%. It depends on loads of different things, but I feel like it's if you're experienced trader and you're good at taking money out of prop, then there's no reason to take so long at doing the evaluation.
Fair. I mean, it's fair.
No, no. So Elton, no, I'm just telling. I'm telling.
saying,
Look,
I'm just saying.
I'm telling you this.
Yeah.
This is my opinion. Okay, disclaimer, big disclaimer. This is my opinion, and this is how I trade prop. Okay, because LJ just says, yeah. What did he text me saying? Whatever. He just said we're supposed to be teaching people good risk management. It is good risk management, okay? If you're an experienced trader, that's what I would do. If you're not an experienced trader and you've never taken a prop firm payout, or you're not profitable yet, then that is totally the opposite of what you should be doing. You should be taking low risk. You should get your confidence up. You should start building your track record and your statistics, and you should start getting your first couple of payouts. Sackett has just turned around and said he's got 50 prop firm payouts. You think somebody with 50 prop firm payouts that has got that confidence is just going to risk 1% per trade at passing an evaluation? No, because he's got the confidence and he knows he's going to hit it. So he's going to go in for bigger risk. I don't
What's
see
his
anything
math,
wrong
though?
with that. I think that's the way to trade prop. But for
Yeah.
unexperienced traders, no, 100%. 1% risk, even lower.
See, there are only
It
two
depends
ways.
like how you're trading as well, right? It being
Yeah.
active or like a swing or something like that, right? Like
Mm.
like if you're swing trading, you might take like 3% because obviously you're trying to, you're waiting
That's
like
That's
4
what I
days.
was also saying. Like
Right.
I was saying that there are two ways to decide the risk. One is like you decide per trade risk, and second is you decide per day risk. I usually decide how much the per day risk is total of my today's trading. I have to put in, right. For
Yeah.
example, if someone is trading with 1% risk, but he is taking 10 trades a day. There is no point. And if someone is doing 3% risk, but he's trading, 2 trades a day, it's still not good in prop firms. So I think that's the have to decide the per day risk and the per trade risk at the same time in order to approach a good result in prop firms.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think it depends on the person and how their strategy is and what they do. I think there's no one fit that fits all. And Mr. Chi,
Dude, Raf. Yeah, Raf.
Oh, man,
Hey.
we're gonna get LJ in trouble. We are.
Mr. Mosh. Yeah, apparently, yeah. Or give me a contract. Okay.
Saket, where we're thinking? We're thinking we're gonna add a little bit here.
See, to be very honest, I am still confident in
About
this
getting
trade.
in.
I think we should add a little bit in here.
What's this? This is gold.
Yeah.
Mate, I don't know, dude.
Oh.
I'm looking to short gold.
All right, I've just added a little bit.
To be honest. Like, yeah. Alright, good luck. Good luck.
I'm gonna need it.
Fair enough.
Gonna need it.
I don't think that's bad, to be fair.
Every-
No, I think you've
Every-
broke
My,
it.
my preferred short level is 36.65, to be fair.
Mate, we're gonna have to do a picture. We got the whole squad, mate. What is this? Whole squad. Let's do a story. Sky, have you got your Instagram back, mate?
No, I followed you on my new one, Skylar Trades. Nah, they wouldn't give me it back.
Stop doing naughty stuff.
I
Man.
had a friend from Instagram that can get me unbanned, and he wants $3,000.
Wait,
What happened to your
were you
Instagram?
banned from Instagram?
Yeah, it said the reason for ban was an account that I had created went against our guidelines, and it wouldn't tell me which account or like what I did. So
How many accounts do you have?
quite a few. I
Yeah, what the hell, man? Come on.
well, I used to manage models.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, that could be it, but I haven't really touched that in a while. So
Alex might be interested in that. You just shuffle that over to him. All right.
It happened with me as
Alex
well
was
on
like,
Instagram.
what?
yeah, Instagram can be.
What I did was I purchased the account from a prop firm of $25,000 at some amount. You know that what is the cost of a $25,000 account, right? And in that account, I have received 6 payout, and I made over 5 to 6,000 in profits. So I uploaded a story, and I was writing that I invested that much amount. I have withdrawn that much amount. After 10 to 15 minutes, Instagram just deleted my story, and they restricted my account. Like, I can't go live to 1 year. It's still in process. I can't monetize. I can't go live
Really?
for 1 year. And when I
Communist.
explained, there's a thing like prop firm where we can buy bigger accounts in cheap price, like a challenge. They don't even know what prop firm is. They were thinking that I am attracting my follower to invest some money in my any scheme, but that was not the
Yeah.
case. It was only I purchased an account of few dollars, and I made over 5 to 6 thousand in prop firm, and this was the whole story I was writing. But they just deleted my story, and after that they restrict me to I can't go live at like for whole 1 year. So this
Yeah,
was so
yeah.
much
Yeah.
for me as well, because my Instagram is massive and I have to control all the things like all the restriction and all. And after that, my Instagram engagement is also decreased. Like, no, not gonna say like the whole reach is decreased, but it's affected like 20 to 30%.
Wow.
Yeah, of course. You get like shadow banned, right? That
Mm.
kind of thing. Yeah.
where I was usually getting like 100k, like 80,000, 80k, 100k views. Now it's stuck at like 50k only.
Yeah, fair.
I'm stuck at like 300. Saki is gonna have to help me with my content. Good storytelling. I do like Sakit's content, to be fair.
We'll pump those numbers up. Don't worry.
Yeah, we should do. Okay, we're gonna next time we have 4 people in, because I wasn't prepared for 4 people to come into the trading room. Next time we have 4 people in, Jones, we're gonna do a giveaway. Okay, let me get a giveaway set up. The next time we have 4 people in here, we'll do a giveaway. Maybe if LJ comes to the dark side.
Mate, well, I'm still waiting. I will say that, to be fair.
You've been putting in hours as well. Hours.
I will say, I'm a bit confused, to be fair.
Just want to stay friends. I got
Come
put
on.
in the friend zone as well, man. I
I'm
got
very
put in the friend
confused.
zone.
I'm
Very
confused.
confused. I'm also
confused. Right?
Very cute.
I will just say that. That's it.
Sky wants to know why. He's got put in the
No
friend
comment.
zone. He's
No
friend
comment.
zone.
No comment. No comment.
Mm,
You
No
said
comment.
what?
No comment. Right.
It's okay. It's all right. We'll have you, mate. We'll sort you out. We'll keep you.
Your trade's still looking good, mate.
Yeah, it's not looking bad. I could have added on the other account, but
It looks like every dip is just getting bought up.
yeah.
Yeah, you're doing well. Dude, I don't want to short gold at all until we get to further highs like that 3665.
Yeah, if we get a break of the highs.
Even have a consideration of shorts. Right now, I think we're very much bullish overall. There's a weird propensity to buy up gold.
Yeah.
I'm not shorting at all. I don't want a long either, to be fair. But I
hard to
definitely
believe.
don't want short. Put it that way.
Well, it's different.
Gold.
What is
Hard to get in gold unless you get in early like he did, because they don't give you the best dips to buy. So
Yeah,
it's
so I think through today when we had Asia and coming into like after rollover when we had Asia, I would have liked to see more of a consolidation lower rather than the gradual grind up that we did have.
yeah.
So with that, I don't like that at all. That's very indicative.
That's why I
Um,
tried shorting, but I should have waited.
Look how
Yeah.
disgusting that move is. Actually, is that
Right?
Yeah.
okay? That's news. Fine.
So myself and Mike shorted off the spike from the PPI,
Nice.
right? Because I was saying to Mike, I was like, dude, I think we'll get the negative PPI, gold spike, then you short. He took that as well. Now he's got a call.
Very
for
nice.
that. Took that to there. We came right down. Do you want to go to my chart, Alex?
Yeah. Let's have a look because this one it.
So it came right through here. That spike just by the highs, basically a double top, right down into the 200 moving average on the 5 minute, and then we've rallied off that. So right now, I want to see, ideally, for me to have greater confidence, I like to see a move up in here. So if we go change this to a 1 hour, reset that, zoom in, give me a sec. So basically the bodies of this 1 hour from last night with the revisions of the payroll. If we get a move up to there, I would potentially look at a short from there. Right, but until we get up to there, right now this looks very bullish. And I would see that we actually do reach that point and then come off. If you go out to like, I mean, say you go out to 1 day. Obviously, this has been crazy through here. for gold. So we had this wedge sort of forming over the past couple of months. Right now, then we've broken out of that, absolutely smashed it, come right through. We've got a gap through here. Right, the gap doesn't really matter as far as gold. Sometimes it matters, sometimes it does not. Let's go down to a 4 hour. I think right now we are actually losing momentum overall.
Nah, gold's pushing, bro.
No, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, we are right now.
Ah, okay.
If
So
we
no
go-
rule.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So we go to like a 4 hour.
Mm.
I'm looking for a retracement down to here, 35.77. So at some point you get a peak from here, and then reverse right back down. I think that is the trade. That's what I'm looking for. So if you zoom out, right, like that's basically the wedge we've been in for weeks and weeks. This is back to April with the Trump tariffs, right? Back and forth, breakout. This has been very, very strong. I do agree with the strength, but how quick and how fast that we've had it, I think we need to pull back, come back to this prior high, this head just here, about 35, I call it 78 or so, and then from there you run higher. I've got about 38, 70 or so called for the end of the year. So
Okay, we're looking like we're pushing up a little bit more. That's Sky, and we've just lost. We just lost LJ. No.
man, I'm still here. What are you talking about? So from I think you're still good long, especially today. So hence I'm seeing that 36.65.
What, that would be your overall target?
Yeah, and then that would be my consideration for shorts from there. So if you go to the 1 hour, right? Go zoom in once again. That's pretty much where the bodies of these wicks are, right? From these candles from last night's payroll revisions. So if we actually manage to run through the prior wick top prior to the payroll revisions, then I say the bodies of these candles are the absolute peak. So first point of contention is through here, right, which is about I don't know, 36.59. Then you got 65. This is basically my zone. I'll look to short from there.
Very nice.
So basically, you do some kind of like news or like global type of news trading, right?
So what I do is basically a combination of text and fundamental.
Yeah,
Analysis.
fundamental. Yeah, I forgot
If you
that
wanna call
word.
it. Yeah. So
Yeah.
a bunch of both. Like, because I've been trading for 13 years now. You pick up a bunch of everything. Like, you start doing some things, you get bored, you start learning more. Eventually, it aggregates into a larger structure for things.
So like you are trading since last 13 year, right? So in our country, India, there is a saying that every trader wants to be a full-time trader, right? He only wants to do trading, none other business or no any other work, right? So what are your views on that?
Well, I started literally trading full time whilst I was at uni. Right, I started trading whilst I was at university. Then dropped out sort of 6 to 7 months later, and just went trading full time. So I will say I'm a very rare case that makes sense, right? Because I made enough money that any career, any degree that I completed would not pay the same amount as what I was making from trading, right? So for me, it's very rare, right? So I've been doing that for the past 11, 12 years now. And only recently have I jumped onto doing this stuff with certain firms, that kind of stuff. And it's more out of I've done these things for like over a decade, and you want to change something up, do something different, find people, just change it up in general, right? So for me, that's how that has gone. I was studying physics before that, right, at uni. So it's very math related. I started doing stocks, options, futures, that kind of stuff, very heavily math related market activity. Since then, obviously, I then shifted over to realizing that you trade actively currencies, commodities, a whole bunch else, very low commission. Because back in the day, this was still when commissions here, at least, if you want to trade stocks, per entry would be $50 to $40 per trade.
Wow.
Right? And then so what you have to make above that, you
That's
have to
regardless
wait
the size.
Yeah, regardless of size. That was like the base minimum level. So you have to wait a couple weeks, months, however long it takes for the stock or whatever to actually run. I was like, dude, this doesn't make sense. Found CFDs and then ran into that, and I was like, hey, that works. It's very active. I like this. Got into it and then just took off. Right?
I'm going to close this gold because I'm getting to the end of the session and it doesn't look like it wants to push up. If it does, I'm not holding this when I go home. So
yeah, if you're looking to close out, I think we do get more highs on gold.
yeah, I'm not looking at to hold this.
Yeah, but if you don't want the
Yeah, don't need the drawdown. And
yeah, that kind of thing. Yeah.
LJ, how long did it take you to turn profitable?
So again, I'm a very abnormal person.
Mm-hmm.
The first 2-3 months that I started trading, instantly.
Damn.
I've actually got the. I was showing some other friends this stuff earlier. I've actually got the actual books back from university. I used to write in my journal and stuff back in the day.
what is that? I cannot see what is that?
Yeah, you can't. I'd have to, put a full thing. But basically, the point is, I used to do that back in the day. You can see this. Hang on. So I made a bunch of money playing games back in the day. That's where I started and got the cash. So this was Halo in Brisbane.
Damn.
That's Nationals playoffs. It was like $5,000.
$5,000 to play Halo.
Bro,
Yeah, and this
that's
was
a lot of
this is
money.
back in 2012 as well.
Which Halo?
Holy shit, look
5K
at
back
that.
there. It was Halo 3. Back then.
That's a good one.
So that's where I got the initial startup money. I played that, Dota, a couple other games. That's where I got my initial startup money whilst I was at uni, to start trading, right? So, yeah.
That's sick.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm very probably abnormal, where I started off the bat and had a good time, and then hence I decided to quit uni to keep trading. And then
You still play any games?
oh, absolutely. When
Yeah.
when I have time nowadays, I have less time. To be fair,
Right.
Yeah, Warcraft definitely. I used to be involved in a lot of World First, World of Warcraft as well. Dota I still play on occasion, when I can. Used to play a lot of Diablo. What else? I mean, obviously, like Halo, COD, all that kind of stuff. All the expected stuff. What else did I play competitively?
I'm surprised you haven't said Counter Strike.
Probably the main. No, I didn't really play Counter Strike because I was mainly playing Halo and COD at the time. So hence I didn't play Counter Strike because I was like fully involved in the other two. Like I played Counter Strike obviously, but I didn't play competitively, right? For that reason, because I was in the other spaces. So. But yeah, good times, man. Good times, to be fair. And basically, I leveraged that off when I was at uni, going to markets, that kind of stuff, and then just kept going. So, yeah. Here we are, 10 years later.
What, Sakit, please tell me you closed. Are you
Not
holding
really.
it?
Yeah, I'm holding.
Yeah. Actually, it's still probably in play.
Let's say I'm short gold, dude.
Yeah, it's still in play. To be fair, it's still above all the EMAs.
You caught the short.
Pardon?
LJ caught the short.
No, I said
is
I
it
am short.
You said it's short.
I said I am short.
Oh, you are short.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah. Like I was saying before, like Mark and I were talking about shorting gold. I'm short from 365382.
Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, guys, that is it. I'm gonna have to shut off. But thank you very much for everybody joining us today. It was actually good fun. Hope to have all of you in here again, all four of us. As I said, next time there's 4 people and it's actually a scheduled 4-person stream, we're doing a giveaway. A big giveaway. One of the biggest. Yeah, so I'll speak to Sky. We'll see if we can get something booked in. Saket, you tell me when you're available. We're gonna have a party. We're gonna have a giveaway party. All right, we're gonna get balloons and we're gonna get little hats and stuff. Some knickknacks. All right then, guys. I'm gonna stop messing around and get off.
Hey,
All
get some
right.
profits. All right, get some profits first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and LJ, close your gold short. Yeah, I'm joking. All right, bye guys. Bye.